Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to configure Gmail account on Outlook. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, open the Gmail account that you want to configure with Outlook. Then click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select account. Over here, go to the security section. After that, scroll down and check if two-step verification is turned on. Then make sure it is set up and working using your Windows PIN or passkey. After that, go back to the security section and click on passwords. Over here, make sure that skip password when possible is turned on. After that, open Outlook 365. Then click to add a new account and select your Gmail account. After that, click connect. Then click continue to sync your Gmail with Outlook. After that, sign into your Gmail account and allow Microsoft permissions. Then wait for Outlook to process the information. After that, choose your privacy preferences, click continue and then click apply settings. Then wait for Outlook to restart and load the emails. Over here, go to the start menu, open Outlook again and wait for the emails to sync. After that, send a test email to your Gmail account to confirm it's working. So that's basically how you can configure Gmail account on Outlook 365 version 2024 latest method. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.